Hey guys, this is a pork tenderloin, and we have our aged cheddar bacon sausage. So this is going to be a stuffed pork tenderloin with the aged cheddar bacon sausage. So pork on pork with a little cheese on the inside. I'm using this really thin serrated knife. You can also use a steel, that'd probably be a little bit easier. But I'm in a limited equipment, and basically here, I'll show you what we do. So I've trimmed both ends of the tenderloin here, and I'm literally just going to take the knife and cut and just kind of insert it through the center here as best I possibly can. And hopefully, and if you poke out through one of the sides, no big deal. It's still gonna be great. All right, so there, I've got it all the way through. Now I'm just gonna kind of twist this to kind of open it up a little bit. That'll make the inserting the sausage. Okay, so now these are fully cooked and smoked, so the sausages, which makes it really great for stuffing because you don't have to worry about an internal temperature crisis. So, and then I just slide these in. It's a little tricky with this. Oh, there you go. So you just twist a little bit, and that sure helps. All right, once that's stuffed on one side, and I got the tenderloins actually are about perfectly sized for 2 whole sausages. So I'm just gonna open it up on this side a little bit. There you go. And just kind of force it in there like that. And then after that, all you do is season it with a little salt all around and a little pepper. And then what I would do is either sear it in a hot pan till it's nice and golden brown and then finish it in the oven, or you can sear it on the grill and finish it on the grill. But this should take no time. And then let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing it. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah.